What's how are you guys? I'm excited to do a review with you guys today. I thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. We almost have 200 subscribers. So give you guys a round of applause. I'm so excited. Thank you. We are going to do a review on the Serta Futon. I purchased this to go underneath my daughter's bed. This video is not sponsored, but hopefully I get some sponsors, guys, so I can get some money because I'm broke. So we're gonna unbox this, and I'm just using scissors to open it. Okay, ease it down. It's heavy, guys, so be careful. Okay, now we're gonna open it. So here's our mattress. No, I'm sorry, it's not our mattress. This is our futon. Yeah. The hardware, this is nice. Okay, let me move this box out. In this pocket right here, where you're gonna find the hardware. And it's so neat. I like how they package this. I'm gonna zip that back up. This is the box with the hardware. Okay, this is the legs. Okay, so guys, so the instructions is self-explanatory. It's very easy, okay? Okay, so the same thing here. Just twist it on. Right, this is how it looks so far. Now, I'm gonna do the other ones. The legs is gonna go out like this, okay? Not like this. It doesn't supposed to look like this, okay? Not inwards, but outwards, okay? Now, so we're just gonna line these holes up with the holes that's in the couch, if you can see. And then we're gonna use our things here, and we're gonna put them on top of here. Okay, and then I'm gonna screw in these screws. Okay. Okay, and the same thing here, except this leg is going to go the opposite, okay? This is how the leg's supposed to look. As you can see, these back legs is pointing up, and then the front legs is pointing outwards. Okay, and I'm going to flip the couch and we're going to sit on it. As you can see, the installation was so easy. The couch is so nice. And look at the quality. It's so nice. The only thing I don't like, we have a pet, so sometimes he come in here and shake and some fur can get stuck in here, but we have to like brush it off. Okay, so I'm tired. But this is how my daughter's couch look. And we just slid it right underneath her bunk bed. And here's the back. Okay, and here's the back legs. I'm going to show you how to make it go down. So you're just going to pull it forward until it clicks there, and it goes to the back. All right. Okay, I'm going to do it again because it was too close to the wall, but it lays out flat. And then to make it go up, you just lift up on it till it clicks. And voila.